welcome back to the video, guys. Like I said yesterday, I'm gonna be in the garage again today, doing horns. It's a little bit chilly, but I figured you might just get it done. I mean, tomorrow I have some late classes, so I might as well just do it now. Try to see if I can put this somewhere so you guys can see when I pull in the garage. Somehow I'm able to fit the whole car in here perfectly. The whole car fits just in the space only though. And the garage, it will close, but I think it just keeps some air going through. So if you look in the back, it'll close. I mean, I have some more room to go up, obviously. A little more room to go up. I'm just trying to keep it out because I don't want to go too far in, and then not have room to work in the front. The horns in the front, obviously, so I want to be in the front. So that's what I'm, gonna be doing. But yeah, I'm gonna try to do these horns today. Hopefully, I'm also gonna try to fix my fog light. It's kind of falling out of the place in there, but I'm gonna get that done too. But yeah, I think I did the whole intro in 4K. Not gonna lie to you, but we'll see. All right, so I got the bumper off right now. So according to the videos I've seen, where's the bumper over there? I want to try to fix that fog light. Someone's falling out, but I'll get to that soon. But according to the videos, you just gotta unbolt the old one right here with this 10mm, and I'm assuming this is the ground. I mean the power. So this is the power, which is probably why it's not working now. But this is the power, and then this is the ground. So ground, and the connector is the power. So I think we're slicing into this one, which is the power one. So the GoPro died, but back to what I was saying. Yeah, so this is the, I believe, the power, and then the one over there obviously is the ground. So we're gonna have to extend the ground and the power wire. We're just gonna use some what are they called, butt connectors, splice connectors, whatever they call, and then splice off of this. It's gonna go ground connected to the other two horns, boom and boom. So it's gonna be, you're gonna be able to see it, I think, from the front, or I don't know how. Oh, down here. So you put it down here. You'll see it down here, and then yeah, so I'll update you guys when I get closer to what I have to do. All right, so far what I've done is I spliced off of the old power cable right here. This is the new cable here, connected to the horn on the 12 side. There's 12 and a 3. 12 is power, and 3, and the other one is obviously 12 volts is obviously your current power. The other one's ground. And I connect the ground cable where the old ground was to the other side, like I said. And yeah, now I'm just gonna get this hooked up into here, like so. All the wiring done. This side has been done. I'll show you guys that earlier. It's tucked away, all good. Like I said, I'll get these wires after. But then what I did was I spliced off of the new power wire I made. So I spliced off of this one, right here. Made this connection. Sorry about that. And this connection here, and this goes all the way across to this side for power down here, but I'll hook it up soon. Then the ground cable is hooked up right now for right now here. I'm thinking I'm gonna put it right in there. The little bolt. I don't know if you guys can see that. That bolt right there. Let's see if I can put it on there. If that's metal, I can't really tell. If not, I can always put it here. It's long enough cable, so I'll put it here, and then we'll be all done. It sounds really, this one's a deep one, the other one's a high pitch, so it sounds nice, balanced out. After that, just fixing the bumper, then I'll be out of here. So got it all finished up. I ended up routing the ground wire for this side, this side, up through here and onto this little bolt right there. It's right there. You guys seen the other side? I'll do a little sound test for you. Both of them. It's pretty loud. Not gonna lie to you, but sound test. I think that's gonna be today's video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Oh yeah, and peace out. My bad, the camera kind of cut off, but yeah, that's it, guys. For you guys. Oh, I also fixed the fog light. Got that back in there. Then I was back to looking flush again on this side. So yeah, we're all good. We're gonna go for a drive. Get some Chick-fil-A. And yeah, that's gonna be it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys later. Peace out.